Hey Dave, welcome to my external monitor. We are here in the WordPress dashboard, and I just wanted to show you what's up with trading out, what's happening on the social media LinkedIn guy right here. So what I did was I hopped over to LinkedIn, grabbed DMG North. Here's their latest one day ago, their latest LinkedIn. I've got this image downloader right here. It's a pretty awesome extension for Google Chrome, and it's going to pull down a full-size image off of whatever site you're using. Just grab it right from there. So I already pulled the image down, and I copied the text and made it into plain text. So I have the image and the text at this point. The stuff is off screen, but anyways, what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and paste in the text from the article. Doesn't really have a headline, but we'll just call this new location. And then I need to pull in, actually just go ahead and save that for now. But in our media file, I'm going to go ahead and add new and go ahead and select that last thing that I grabbed, visual assets. It's this guy, choose. Okay, so then we go back to the library, and then this guy, we're going to go and look at it. And right here is our address. So grab the URL for that. We're going to jump back over to widgets from appearance. We're going to go in here and then be careful about this, but basically what we want to do is this is from here to here. It's inside of that href. That is our image. So put in the new image, and you can see we've got target blank and no open, no follow. So leave the target blank and then the rel, and then that's my bad. Do not do it like that. We're going to put the image in here, in the source, src. That is where the image goes. And then just dmg, do this right. And we're going to save that. And then we go and look at the site. We don't need to be inspecting right now, but we do need to be on the page like so. New location. And there's that. So that was a real quick rundown on how to update the LinkedIn. So we don't have a automagic thing like we do for Instagram. Anyways, there's that. And there's that. Okay,